It was around the economic crash, 07, 08, and our family, both Kristine's family, my family, businesses, everyone was really, really harshly affected by that. And we were going through a very, very difficult time. Also at that time, the really clear awareness through many years of research and just being with open eyes and heart, I realized there's a lot of chaos going on in the world. Economic systems are coming down. This might go bad soon. So eventually, Kristin and I decided that we're just going to leave. We're going to leave society behind. We're going to find a little cabin somewhere in northern Canada, grow our own food and have a greenhouse and live happily ever after and kind of forget about everything else. And wouldn't you believe it, as soon as we had made that choice, everything started going wrong. Nothing would work out in that regard. You know, whatever we did, it would fall apart. And then through various different events, people coming into our lives, books coming into our lives, realizations coming, we realized that we were totally 100% trying to run from our problems. Number one, run from our responsibilities, run from the true solution. We just wanted to get away from all the shit and all the crap that was going on, and that's the way we wanted to do it. It's kind of like God kept telling us something, and God kept saying, don't run away, clean up the mess, take responsibility for everything in your own life, for the mistakes that you made or for the trauma that you experienced, the forgiveness, the healing, but also in the outer world. I mean, clean up the mess that you've created. And it was painful because I had always believed that if you don't like something, just build something new. I'd always believed that if you've done things wrong in your life, just move on and do it different. And I didn't realize that it was missing a whole really, really important part. Moving on is a great thing and doing things better is really important, but there's the missing piece here. And I realized what the big problem is that we all have. We have a transfer of responsibility society. We do something that might be very hurtful, and then we move on. We don't actually suffer the consequences immediately. We don't take responsibility. So often that is exactly the case on how this works. And it became so obvious to me that when I even came online, when I talked to you all and I said, hey, you know what, it's time to move out of the city. It's time to do this and that and move away from where you are. I was doing society a huge disservice because I believe we have to clean up where we are and really clean up our cities, clean up our act. I mean, it doesn't matter where you stand politically. It doesn't matter where you stand on anything. We cannot all possibly believe that what we're doing is good. We cannot believe that these concrete jungles with artificial everything, with bad air, with no nature, with no real sense of community, that is really a healthy environment for anyone. And so we got to clean up there and actually start planting freedom seeds, which is literal seeds, freedom seeds, community seeds, right where we are. We need to clean up right where we are. We need to take responsibility for our previous actions and clean up. I think nature will thank us, the Creator will thank us, if we start beautifying our communities, if we start beautifying our cities and towns. This is about real, honest, actual responsibility. And it's the same with our own lives individually. I mean, this is really the journey that we've been on. Is you cannot run from anything. Even the things you didn't cause in your life, the trauma usually isn't caused by you. Someone else did it to you, literally. Maybe you were very little. And so all we want to do is move on. But we got to clean up first. We got to heal. We got to forgive and do the work. Even though we might have been victims in that, we still got to do the work because we're the ones suffering from all of it.